It's time for a change. It's finally here. The groundbreaking technology for digital textile printing. The Allegro from Kornit Digital. With our patented neopigment technology, the Kornit Allegro needs no external processes like steaming, washing, and drying, making it the only true single-step solution to printing on textile. Using our unique neopigment inks, only the Kornit Allegro can print on multiple types of fabric with the same single ink set. By eliminating energy and water-consuming steps and using our 100% biodegradable inks, you will benefit from the most sustainable and cost-effective printing solution on the market today. Kornit Allegro, the most eco-friendly solution in the textile printing industry. For more information, visit us at www.kornit.com.